Hi, M5881. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, good morning. Good morning to all the employers in Hong Kong. I am Elalyn Adona. I'm 29 years old. 29 years old from Pasay Samar, and I born on October 3, 1995. I graduated at Eastern Visayas State University, Tacloban City, top of Bachelor of Teaching, Home Economics and Livelihood Education. I blessed one child, and I am single with live-in partner, and I've been a helper for 2 years in the Philippines. I serve three I serve three members of the family, including the couples. So I'm the one taking care of their child because they are both employed. So I do the household chores, I do the cooking, and then I do ironing their clothes, and they're washing their clothes.
Okay. Since you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, it's okay for me because I have a baby. I am the only one who take good care of my baby.
So you know how to prepare a
Yes.
meal. Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I will change the diaper, maybe it's full, or I will feed him or her, maybe he is hungry. Or I will check the temperature, maybe he is sick.
Okay. And if the baby is still crying, everything that you have done, what will you do?
If the baby is still crying, I will call her or her mother or father, that and I will tell them that her baby is not stop crying. I do everything, but it's not yet it's but I do everything, but still not stop crying. And I will ask them what should I do.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money. I want to save money for my future and for the future of my child.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as I am able to work, and if ever my employer extend my contract, I am willing to extend my contract.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
Honestly, I don't have any idea, but I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
And how will you learn to cook?
I will ask my employer what kind of food they want, or I will watch in YouTube how to prepare Chinese foods.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provides.
Yes.
It is okay to you to color your hair into black because I saw that you have a blonde hair.
Yes, I'm willing to cut and to make it black.
Okay. It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes.
How about sharing jobs as a helper?
Yes.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup by your employer.
Yes.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes.
Okay. It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English?
Yes.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
My message for my future employer is I promise you, I work hard. I am honest, and I'm trustworthy, and I'm willing to take care of your child and your family. That's all. Thank you and good day.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Ellaline. Thank you.